Hirsch Electronics is a company that's been in business for 25 years. We're based in Southern California. We serve non-residential customers globally. We deal with enterprise class systems, which we will cover a complete security management system from access control, video integration, intrusion, alarm monitoring. And it all started with the invention of a simple keypad that scrambles the digits for very secure applications. The most exciting new trends right now is the customer's desire for a one-card solution for both logical and physical access to get on the computer and get through the door. And the government has been a big facilitator with some of the new standards like Homeland Security Presidential Directive 12 or FIPS 201. As you can see from the slide here, there's new processes to capture your identity, vet it, make sure you are who you say you are, collect your fingerprints, and then we put that information on a smart card, much like you see here. It's got both a chip, computer chip, and an antenna in it. So now we can use one card for both of those purposes. And I'm going to show you some of the systems that we have down here that handle that. Our front-end software package has the ability to monitor alarms. It's got graphics for that purpose. I can pull up video as well. But this is also where I can register one of these new government-issued smart cards into my security system. When I do that, I have the capability to use that very same keypad, as you might see here. The secure keypad has numbers that are in a different position every time. And of course, there's viewing restrictors, so someone cannot steal your PIN. We keep it private. That's very important because we're using the PIN to protect your privacy information like your biometrics that are on the card. Let me show you a demonstration of how one might work. We've got several flavors. One of the new changes is we've taken the old proximity antenna that you might see in here for the traditional Prox card, like you might have seen over here in an older reader. We've added to it a new antenna to handle the higher frequency FIPS 201 type, PIV, personal identity verification cards. I'm going to use this in the contactless mode first. We have an antenna here. It's just read my smart card. It's asked for my PIN. And now it asks for my fingerprint. So it's prompting with the displays. That's captured, it says access granted, I got a green light, I'm in the building. What we just saw was three-factor authentication. I'm not going to take you through all the steps, but what you have over here on this side is a four-factor authentication for the government. If I place the card in the slot this time, I can also check a PKI certificate using public key infrastructure and higher security measures that the government is now introducing in IT departments, state and local governments, all kind of operations in vertical markets around the world are watching what the government's doing here, and we're real excited to be one of the leaders in bringing product to market. Well, certainly many of our customers are government agencies, but we also do banks, we do hospitals, we do education, state and local governments, critical infrastructure now, a lot of the dams, airports, seaports, pretty much everything non-residential around the world. Many of our customers are very IT-centric enterprises, so we have access control and security management systems that operate multiple sites with hundreds of thousands of people and many, many hundreds of doors.